Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing a deep dive into the state of content creation in 2026. If you're a creator, or just someone who loves watching YouTube, you've probably noticed the landscape has changed drastically in the last 12 months. We aren't seeing the AI apocalypse we feared, but we aren't seeing business as usual either. We have access to new data showing that while AI generation is at an all-time high, audience retention on fully automated content is plummeting. In this video, we're going to break down 1. Why YouTube is currently cracking down on AI slop. 2. The authenticity premium, or why being a flawed human is now your biggest asset. And finally, the cyborg strategy, how the smartest creators are using AI to work with them, not replace them. If you want to survive the algorithm this year, you need to understand this shift. Let's get into it. Let's address the elephant in the server room, the crackdown. This is a crucial distinction. YouTube isn't banning AI, they are banning laziness. This brings us to the most interesting trend of 2026, the authenticity premium. This is something AI cannot replicate. An AI doesn't have a childhood, it doesn't have bad days. So, does this mean we should all throw away our computers and go back to filming on Super 8 cameras? Absolutely not. So, what does this mean for you if you want to start or grow a channel in 2026? 1. Stop trying to be a robot. If your content is dry and purely informational, you are in the danger zone. Inject your personality, your flaws, and your unique perspective into every second. 2. Lean into the tools. Don't be afraid of AI. Learn the new editing workflows. Use the research agents. Save your time for the stuff that actually matters. And 3. Build community, not just views. An AI can get a view, but it can't make a friend. Engage with your comments, do live streams, build a Discord. That human connection is your moat. The battle of AI versus human turned out to be a false dichotomy. It was never about one replacing the other. It was about how the two would settle into a new equilibrium. In 2026, the machine handles the logic, and the human handles the emotion. If you can master that balance, there has never been a better time to be a creator. I want to know your thoughts. Have you stopped watching a channel because it felt too AI? Or have you found tools that make your life easier? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. It tells the very real algorithm to share this video with more humans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.